Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cut, split or trim videos in VLC Media Player. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any video with VLC Media Player. So I'm going to open with VLC Media Player. So once video is open, you simply need to click on view and you need to enable advanced controls. So once advanced controls are open, so here you need to click on this record button and start recording the video like this. And let's suppose you want this part, then you need to click here and turn off, and then you need to go back, and here you can see the part that I recorded. So the first step, you simply need to click the right mouse. So here you can see that. So this is the process how you can cut, separate or trim videos in VLC Media Player. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.